Hi class, welcome to week 5 of Principles of Coaching. Wanted to go over our coach planning assignment. Um, I emailed you guys a Word document that you guys will see right here on your screen. Emailed you guys a Word document. You'll also find it in the modules. I'm not concerned with this being in APA format. Just want you to go through and complete this the best you can. I think this will be a really good assignment for you guys to hang on to long after this class is done. Um, some really good things in here for you guys to do. You guys will see here in step 5, designing a practice. I think that's something I have in my portfolio that if I am in interviewing for a job, that I'll take that with me. So they can know kind of what a practice would look like. But this assignment's really good for you guys to think of how to teach tactical skills and to have a development plan for that. So wanted to go over this. This will be due Sunday, 11:59 p.m. You'll also have your 2 discussion questions for the week. So this week you have your 2 discussion questions, and then this coach planning assignment. I also want to look ahead to week 7, and I sent you guys a message. I sent you guys a message on an email on week 7. And week 7 we have a book review assignment. Wanted to send that to you guys so that you guys can start. So you guys can pick a book out and start reading. So hopefully you guys can finish your book by week 7, and then you can do your book review. So wanted to get that to you guys in advance. But for the book review, you can see that the directions here, and I emailed you guys the directions and instructions. If you have any issues or if you didn't get that message, let me know. But here's a list of books. If you have another book that's not on this list, please email me the book so it can be approved. But hope you guys are doing well. Over the halfway point in this class, and so far most of you are doing really well. Let's continue to work hard and do it all for the Lord. But hope you guys are doing well. Let me know if you guys have any questions on these assignments. Hope you have a great week.